How to create Temu account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Temu app in the device. If not, you can go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Temu and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch the app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of View. Now over here, you're going to see the option Sign in or Register. Click on it. Now from here, you can easily create your account. You can create your account using Google account, Facebook account or Apple ID. Or also you can directly type in your phone number or email address. For this video, I'm going to directly enter my email address over here. After you type in, click on Continue. Now generate password for your account. After you type in the password, click on Register. Now over here you can type in your phone number and then click on Submit. And just with that, your account will be created. Now to edit your profile, click on this name. Click on your name again. With that, you will land to the profile page. Now from here you can make the changes. You can add a picture, likewise you can type in the name. Likewise you can add something to your bio. Likewise select your gender. After you fill up this, your Temu account will be completed. Well, this way you can easily make a Temu account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.